YouTube, what up, man? It's day 2 trading this PA number 41. Yeah, we deep in the PAs, man. A little deeper than I like to be, but we in there. We've been doing this for a while. Got some payouts too, so that's the good thing. Got payouts. We ain't just doing it for free. But it was the last day of a 90% sale last night. I got in, bought 2 extra accounts, another 2 evals. There was some 8-15 news ADP non-farm on a Wednesday. So I tried to get up, see if I could do a little 1-2 past that, past those 2 evals with that news. But when I got in, it wasn't the momentum I was looking for. Then I seen that they had 10 o'clock PMI. That made me think about shutting down the trades or taking down and waiting for 10. But I liked the trade I was in, so I just stayed in it. Show you what it was. So I saw there was news last night, set my alarm for this morning, 8 o'clock. Got up, came to the chart, probably like 2 minutes before the news. I was rushing to get back on there. We was in the middle of kind of no man's land, really. Yeah, broke this little structure here, this minor structure, back to the upside. Got this W formation, signs of a typical New York reversal. But here was the thing. We had this demand zone still there, this 5-minute demand that we could have definitely went down and tapped into. But the EMAs were just holding strong. I got this 5-minute. Let me put the 1-minute on and show you the smaller time. I noticed we had this little downtrend that we broke above, of course. Got the retest there. This was after I was in the trade. After, this is hindsight, but I was seeing that we weren't making lower lows. You know what I mean? We were not touching lower lows. The same way up here. The little minute candles, barely, but it broke. You can see that there, that red candle there. I was a little higher, even though it waked and came back down. But just that, the way it was fighting around that EMA and staying alive, that made me want to stay in the trade. So for the evals, I go heavy. I'm not gonna lie, I go heavy. I don't like wasting too much time on evaluations. So I'm max contracting, or at least five plus contracts on these. When I got the money to blow, I'm going 10. 10 contracts, 15 points, we're past. GG. So the same trade, I started to like the trade as I was in it. This was just for the evaluations at first. But then I'm like, man, I'm here. I'm getting the confirmations I need. Let me just go ahead and take it on the PA too. Ended up hopping on the PA right around there. This is the set price for the PA that I got in and the set price I got out. Got my 14 points. It was about 280 in profit with the PA. Let me get that extra 20. I'll risk that 20, 30 bucks. But anything I leave with 250 for the day. Got in here, rolled that little micro, got my 1-to-1, a little bit over 1-to-1, got out. The market open, and the bull continued. The bull run continued to where we are now. Yeah, it's definitely free roller coaster there, but go ahead, man. You cannot stay in the markets risking that capital. Extended time in the markets, man, exposure. Risk your gains. Risk the gains potentially leads into revenge trading leading to blown account. We've been there too many times, man. Too many times, man. Wednesday, supply and demand strategy. Wasn't really supply and demand, it was more of EMA support. But the supply and demand is the backbone. It is the backbone. But it could have been vice versa, man. You gotta know it could have been vice versa. It could have been down. It could have wanted to touch the zone and then go off. But they trapped a lot of people there. They trapped a lot of people. These wicks too. Trapping. Oh, we at the high. Let's start selling. Trapping. In the back office of Trader at PA41. I'll show you. I don't want y'all seeing the whole number. PA. Yep. 302.36. All trades. 2 trades. Winning trades 2. Losing trades 0. We love to see them days, man. Back to back. First execution is the win. One and done. We are out. Show y'all the trades themselves. Like I said, the first trade was on NQ. Traded 1 mini. 769.50. 8 minutes. 783.75. Got that 285. Was comfortable risking that extra $20 to $35. One in on the mini. On the micro, I'm sorry. MNQ. Just one. Risking that 10 points. You know what I mean? 3 minutes. Got that extra 21. Got up out of there. Just that 1-to-1. At the end of the day with the 300 profit. 306.50. Trading fees and commission $4. 302.36. That's the wrap up for the day, man. See ya tomorrow.